Hey guys, it's Toby and we're back, this time with a 427 Windsor. This is our Dominator 427, so it's our all forged kit. Obviously forged crank, forged rods, forged pistons, steel top ring set, Napier second obviously. It's custom billet camshaft. This one's a hydraulic roller. The engine will be used for drag racing, but the customer wanted something with a lot of longevity. So it's not going to see more than about 6,500 RPM. And you can see here it's got AFR 220 heads. This one is set up with the 8019 springs. And it's got a Super Victor intake with a 2-inch spacer running the Holley 950 XP carburetor. So let's see what it does.
Hey guys, Martin here, and here we are with this 427 Ford Windsor 10.5 to 1 compression pump gas. We're running the AFR 220 heads, Dart block, and Edelbrock Super Victor intake with the Holley 950 XP. Got 553 foot-pounds of torque at 5,200 RPM, 620 horsepower at 6,500 RPM.
Oh, pressure nice and steady.
Everything's good to go. Should be able to race this thing at the track every weekend.